Hi guys, my name is Lacey Elizabeth and welcome back to my channel. So today we've got a bit of an unboxing. We're going to try out some new product from Benefit. It is the Brow Microfilling Pen and I'm super excited. So I've got all my makeup on. She's looking good. She's looking snatched. Let's go in and do our brows. Don't forget about the amazing giveaway. I've got all these amazing products right here from The Ordinary plus a whole bunch of others. So if you guys want to take part in the giveaway, all you need to do to be entered is follow me right here and follow me right here and comment down below, and I'll be picking a winner at the end of September and I will notify you via Instagram. Okay, so I picked up two packages right here and I love Benefit's pink. That's super cute. Love the silver, love the little sparkles on the sides. Really cute packaging. So this is the Brow Microfilling Pen right here, and it's got before and after on the packaging. So I'm like, okay, you know, I need this in my life. We're gonna try this out. This says it gives you a 24-hour microbald effect. So that's a lot of, so that is a very big statement to have on the front of your packaging. So I'm gonna try this out. We're gonna test this out. I'm gonna let you guys know what I think and we'll see how it lasts. So I picked up two colors. I picked up light brown and I picked up blonde. So this one actually looks really dark and this one looks really light. So I'm thinking I might need to mix. So I picked up them both, but you know, I'll let you guys know. So this is the shade blonde. Oh, cute packaging. This is really cute. Love that. Okay, so this is what the end looks like. That is really cute. You have the three little prongs there that are going to give hair-like strokes. So let's try this out on the back of my hand. Oh, that's really cool. I like that. That is the blonde color, right? Yes, that's the blonde color. So that is very light. So I'm thinking let's definitely open up the light brown and see if that's any darker. So I'm going to test this out. It's got the same tip obviously, so I'm just going to test this out on the back of my hand. So yes, that is darker. I feel like the blonde is going to be too light for me, and I kind of feel like the light brown is going to be too red colored for me. But these are the two colors I picked up, so we're going to test it out. I'm going to go in and I'm going to do light brown on one brow, and I'm going to do the blonde on the other so we can see, you know, the difference. I really like it. To me that looks very natural compared to the other, so I really like it. Like it looks like little tiny brow hairs. I like it. Okay, now I'm gonna go in and I'm gonna do the other side. I'm gonna use the light brown. Okay guys, so I went in with the blonde and I went in with the light brown. Can you guys tell the difference? Which one do you like better? So far, like application wise, I think they both applied really amazing. Considering it is like a pen, right? It's like a little tiny marker that's giving you like 3 brow strokes at a time or 1, depending on the way you flip it, which I think is really inventive. I really love it. So the product itself, the color applies amazingly. Definitely it's like light enough that it doesn't look too heavy. This looks natural. I think both colors suit me. I'm kind of living for both. I feel like both definitely have a place in my life, for sure. I really love the product. I definitely will go in and play with it a little bit more off camera, and I'll let you guys know what I think in a future video, but definitely, so far, I'm really loving this. Now, let's go with this right here. I'm going to try and take this off with a makeup wipe. This has been on for like, I don't know, 20 minutes. I'm going to take it off with one of these gentle makeup wipes from Nivea. I want to see how easy this is to come off. Okay. So that actually came off with one swipe. Okay. Took a little bit longer for the individual strokes. I can still see some right there, so definitely when you go in a little bit harder with the one end to do individual strokes, that is harder to come off. When I was just going lighter with the actual pen itself to do the little 3 strokes, that did come off a lot easier, but in the end I was rubbing a little bit. I still see some lines right here, but it is what it is. So that's the removal. I'll let you guys know how it wears, but this is great. I love it. Okay, so again, this is the new microfilling pen by Benefit, and I love it. Gold stars all the way. Amazing product. And yeah, you guys let me know what you think. Comment down below. Don't forget about the giveaway. Okay guys, live, love, and lip gloss. Bye guys.